my name is Boty Garcia from BotySax Online. We play music covers in our channel and we do some educational videos also. But today I want to show you why I recommend Tomplay to musicians. Tomplay is a digital music app. However, the backing tracks are recorded by professional musicians. It works on iPads, on tablets, and desktop. It feels like you're playing with an ensemble. You can do looping on difficult sections, like practicing for measures over and over and over. It will help you with your sight reading and intonation. There is music for everybody in Tomplay. Classical music, jazz, film music, pop, hymns, and educational videos as well. It trains you to listen, and listen is what separates advanced players from beginners. Tomplay, you gotta check it out.